Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I do greet you from wherever you are tuning in. I don't want you to miss this tutorial. Just share to your friends, tell your friends that I've brought a new thing that you need to see. Here we go. We are going to do natural twists. These are so beautiful, and I won't take you so fast. This video is only 6 minutes, so I want you to be alert. I want you to be attentive. We are starting with wetting our hair. I'm spraying with water to make it wet because I did not wash this hair. She washed the day before, but it's better you wash it before starting. And when you wash it, don't blow dry it. It has to be wet for this hairstyle to come out so well. So I'm making sure I wet this hair so well with my water spray. I spray it to make the hair wet, and this hairstyle has to be done in only natural hair when the hair is not retouched or it's not relaxed. So this is how we are doing it right now. You have to have your gel, most especially it has to be natural products, natural gel to help you in twisting this hair. She asked me for a side way design, so here I'm putting some hair here on the side to give her a side way. So it's what I started with, or it's what I'm starting with. I salute you from wherever you are tuning in America, in UK, in everywhere, Africa, Asia, Australia. I love you so much. Here we go. I'm taking this so fast. We're almost in the middle of our hair tutorial, and this is how we are twisting our hair. We section our boxes like this. They are circular way. I sectioned it in circular way, and then after parting, I cut it into two parts, and this is how I tie it before twisting. Make sure I do it like this, and then I start twisting my hair. The reason why I tie it is to make it tight and to help my two strands, the ones that I twist, to make them so well, to make them entangle so well when I'm twisting them. And then this is the ending. I twist it just like that, and then I put a small gel to help grip it so well so that it doesn't undo itself. I go ahead using my gel. I section my box, and then it's not a box, it's a circular. I did a circular in a circular way. It's not a box, it's a circle. And then I tie it very well. I cut it into two, then tie it, and then start twisting just as you see me do here. And then the ending, I roll as you see me do here. I'm going to continue the same way. I'm continuing the same way. I section my hair like that. Then I use my gel to make my lines on it, and then I apply it on the sides down here. And then what I do, after applying it so well and my hair is gripped so well, I cut this hair into two. I section it into two, then I tie. I think you can see what I'm doing here. Then immediately after tying, I start twisting it, because this hairstyle is a double strand twist. It's a natural spring twist. It's very protective and favors hair growth, and it makes your hair thick. By the time you open this hair, your hair is going to be thick, and it would have grown so well. I'm taking this so fast, so let's go on the side way. Here our side where I did a crisscross, it's a crisscross, and doing crisscross, you get your boxes, you cut 4 boxes and you start one by one. When you do one here, and I've already done some parts, you can see everyone can do that. If you want a tutorial, if there's something you haven't understood, you can go into the comment section and write to me. I'll be right here to answer you. Then don't forget to use a foam. This is a foam I'm using here, mousse, to calm my hair, and then my hair is put into position to its position so well, just using this foam. You can see this. I salute you, and if it's your very first time to come across this channel, please make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to give me thumbs up for the job well done, and of course share this video to your loved ones. Sharing is caring, and leave a comment as I've already told you. See you in another video. I am JK, as usual, the CEO of Hair Crown UG and a professional hairstylist. Here we are winding up with a sheen spray. I love you so much. Bye bye.